What is the maximum fine for a subsequent offence under the Consumer Protection Act, 1986? A. 2 million Indian rupees. B. 1 million Indian rupees. C. 5 million Indian rupees. D. 10 million Indian rupees. The correct answer is C. 5 million Indian rupees. Which part of the Constitution deals with the powers of Parliament to amend the Constitution and its procedure? A. Part 18. B. Part XX. C. Part 19. D. Part 21. The correct answer is B. Part XX. What has become an integral part of every human being in today's world? A. Transport. B. Education. C. Agriculture. D. Communication. The correct answer is A. Transport. Which term describes an independent country not subject to external power or influence? A. Sovereign. B. Socialist. C. Republic. D. Democratic. The correct answer is A. Sovereign. Road signs that are usually circular in shape and indicate strict rules are classified as which type? A. Informatory. B. Mandatory. C. Advisory. D. Cautionary. The correct answer is B. Mandatory. The text refers to viewing current details about which two houses? A. House of Lords and House of Commons. B. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. C. National Assembly and Federal Council. D. Senate and House of Representatives. The correct answer is B. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. What special facility does the Election Commission offer to state and national parties? A. A unique symbol. B. Exclusive media coverage rights. C. Immunity from legal challenges. D. Additional funding from the government. The correct answer is A. A unique symbol. What type of government is also known as responsible government? A. Parliamentary. B. Theocratic. C. Presidential. D. Autocratic. The correct answer is A. Parliamentary. What type of paper property is indicated by GSM? A. Thickness and weight. B. Texture. C. Absorbency. D. Color. The correct answer is A. Thickness and weight. Who appoints the State Election Commissioner? A. Chief Secretary of the State. B. Governor. C. State Legislature. D. President. The correct answer is B. Governor. Which entity invites the party with the majority of elected candidates to form the government? A. The President. B. The Chief Minister. C. The Governor. D. The Speaker of the Assembly. The correct answer is C. The Governor. How many types of traffic signs are there? A. 2. B. 3. C. 5. D. 4. The correct answer is B. 3. What are industries classified based on? A. Raw materials, capital, and ownership. B. Sales and marketing. C. Location and climate. D. Population density and infrastructure. The correct answer is A. Raw materials, capital, and ownership. The 50% reservation for women in Panchayat Raj institutions is a result of which act? A. Rural and Urban Voter Act 2011. B. Ward Members Act 2016. C. Tamil Nadu Panchayats Amendment Act 2016. D. Local Bodies Act 2011. The correct answer is C. Tamil Nadu Panchayats Amendment Act 2016. What is considered a key objective related to the preservation of national interest? A. Abolition of colonialism. B. Disarmament. C. Achievement of world peace. D. Economic development. The correct answer is C. Achievement of world peace. What action is taken after selecting states in the app? A. Installing another application. B. Selecting a specific state like Tamil Nadu. C. Returning to the main menu. D. Viewing details about national symbols. The correct answer is B. Selecting a specific state like Tamil Nadu. On whose recommendation does the Governor appoint other members of the Council of Ministers? A. The Chief Minister. B. The State Legislature. C. The High Court. D. The President. The correct answer is A. The Chief Minister. When was Tamil declared as a classical language? A. 2013. Born in 2004. Circa 2008. D. 2005. The correct answer is born in 2004. In a democracy, which entity or individual typically forms the government? A. The one who obtains the majority votes. B. The military leader. C. A council of elders. D. A hereditary monarch. The correct answer is A. The one who obtains the majority votes. Which government officials' executive and judicial powers are to be described as a detailed answer? A. President of India. B. Vice President of India. C. Prime Minister of India. D. Attorney General of India. The correct answer is A. President of India. What is decision defined as? A. To cast a vote. B. To make up one's mind. C. To follow instructions. D. To make something. The correct answer is B. To make up one's mind. After lodging an FIR and police investigation, what is the next step in a criminal law case? A. The accused is sent to jail without trial. B. Sentences are awarded immediately. C. A petition is filed by affected parties. D. The case is filed in court. The correct answer is D. The case is filed in court. What does a U-turn prohibited sign indicate? A. U-turns are forbidden. B. U-turns are allowed only for heavy vehicles. C. U-turns are encouraged. D. U-turns require special permission. The correct answer is A. U-turns are forbidden. In which district is Mosur located? A. Vellore. B. Kadlur. C. Sivgangai. D. Tiruvallur. The correct answer is A. Vellore. The text includes a discussion point about what aspect of democracy? A. Religious influence. B. Economic impact. C. Historical origins. D. Merits and demerits. The correct answer is D. Merits and demerits. Which of the following is an example of a cautionary road sign mentioned? A. Hospital. B. Parking. C. Petrol pump. D. School. The correct answer is D. School. What is the page number indicated? A. 220. B. 222. C. 223. D. 221. The correct answer is B. 222. What is the title of the head of a state in India? A. Chief Minister. B. President. C. Governor. D. Chief Justice. The correct answer is C. Governor. What is the minimum number of members in a legislative assembly? A. 40 members. B. 50 members. C. 60 members. D. 70 members. The correct answer is C. 60 members. What is one of the listed schemes related to eye care? A. Midday meal scheme. B. Abolition of hand-pulled rickshaws. C. Self-Respect Marriage Act. D. Kannoli Kappom scheme. The correct answer is D. Kannoli Kappom scheme. How did you score?